Here we have a 67 plate BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £8,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the M Sport Plus package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, adaptive LED headlights. We also have the gloss black wheels with the glass black front splitter, part of the full M Performance kit which this vehicle has. Around to the passenger side you'll find the second alloy wheel, yet again unmarked, and we do also have the M Sport suspension. We have the side skirts along the bottom, colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the shark front antennae. We do also have the carbon fibre style rear spoiler. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside, and we do have the rear diffuser with a twin pipe exhaust. Now if we take a look at the boot, so just opening it up like so, you find that we have plenty of space inside of here. We do also have the pockets on the left and also the right hand side. Closing that back up then, and then walking back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, inside of the back you find the full black leather interior. We have the foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points. We also have the electric windows on the doors. If we just turn the traffic control off, we do have the same full leather interior just there at the front. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows, child lock for the rear, automatic lights and the automatic wipers. We have the multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside, you find the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. You do have the dashboard in front of us. If we put a foot on the brake, press the start button just underneath here, the vehicle will start up for us. We have the high beam assist just there on that stalk. As you can see on the dashboard, we are free from any warning lights. Now we do have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat nav. We've got the shortcuts down here, so click onto the media. You find the radio stations just here. Go back, we also find that we have all these other options as well for the media. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have the different drive modes, so we have the Eco Pro, we have Comfort, Sport and also Sport Plus with the Sport displays as well, which is a pretty cool feature to have. Further down you find the dual zone climate control with the ice cold air conditioning just there. Further down again we have the automatic gearbox. Put that into reverse, you find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Just put it back into park low. Got the cup holders just inside of there, the manual handbrake and a nice little leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.